Okay, so let's just take a look in any database. We just fixed our preview data, and I want to see what's the last. I see the 13 deletes that happened in the database, and I kind of just want to see what's going on. What's the last things that happened in the database? I see we got a few events that happened last week. I guess some job candidates. Oh, so we deleted 13 job candidates. That's pretty interesting to me. I think I was just looking at some sales order details, and I think I had put on like 100. And I think I was just spot checking the data, and I did a quick sort on the product ID, and I saw some repeating numbers like 707 and then 708. I saw pretty much a lot of entries for 708. And as we scroll down, like I see a lot of stuff going on with these products, so that's pretty interesting to me. So I guess those are pretty popular products, relatively speaking. And those are some pretty interesting insights that I see about those products. And I guess these are inserts that happen on whatever date. So there was some sales orders that happened. So I could go and do more stuff too now. I can put a watch on job candidates, and so we added 13 job candidates and deleted 13 job candidates. So I'm pretty interested in that. Maybe I might want to put an alert or something like that. But just wanted to share this quick peek data feature. And now again, I was just going to look in another data set. For example, the Adventure Works data warehouse. And here we're looking at 1 million records, and let's just kind of see what's been going on in that system. Just all inserts. I think we just stood up the system, and this fact product inventory looks to be the fattest table. We just take a peek at the data pretty quick. Maybe turn on 50 records and just kind of take a peek and see what's going on, what kind of data we're looking at, working with. Units, balance. Product key. So just arbitrarily grabbing 100 records, so 50 records, you see we got 50 of the same product key. So again, just getting meaningful insights into various information systems, right? These are all critical applications. These are all lines of business applications. For example, our online music store, right? So, what happened here? What are these 5 things? These 5 deletes? I got 5 deletes in the invoice line table, right? So, again, I just want to kind of take a peek at that. We got 5 deletes in the invoice line table, and I can just kind of do a quick sort and see these deletes that happened, see the date they happened, see what invoices they're on. I can see what tracks these albums were on, and again, just meaningful insights as to how users are using my applications. And I could be I can be in any role, right? I could be a CTO interested in that information, or any C-suite person, right? I could be a developer who's trying to fix a problem, right? Maybe I'm in the trenches of a legacy system, right? Or maybe I'm a developer just trying to get insights. Or maybe I'm a DBA, right? Just trying to understand behavioral patterns and understand how users are using the system. Or maybe I'm a business analyst seeking to expand the business. And again, understanding how users are using the system is important to me, right? Currently today, I have to go and put in a ServiceNow ticket for some IT guy to write a report for me, right? If I have a new idea that hasn't been thought of already, right? I have to call somebody and put in a request to get in the queue before I can see my idea in front of my face. Well, not anymore, not with SqlSafeKeep. I could be a compliance officer, a data scientist. Maybe I'm a part of a marketing team, right? Maybe I'm a part of a marketing team. And maybe I just want to take a look at let's say we want to have a marketing program for, we have our Notepad database up. So maybe we want to have a marketing program for athletes who do a lot of bench presses and also eat pancakes, right? So maybe we'll say, okay, so maybe what we'll say is where the exercise is bench presses, so let's filter the exercises. Let's filter the exercises on body part, right, for just chest exercises. And then let's also look for like bench press or something to do with bench. Because again, this is just user data that we're looking at, right? Because we have clearance to look at this data. Maybe I'm a marketing executive or something. This is what turns into the reports, right? And this is important for me to be able to look at. I never knew I could look at this data, right? So let's just go ahead and I know how to add a filter. I can add a filter for the body part is chest. and the exercise is bench, right? Something with bench in it, something that contains bench. It starts with bench, right? Bench press, something. Okay, cool. So, it could be a contain based off how I have the data saved. So let's just do a contains, and let's just see what we get back, right? So we know we want the body part to equal chest, and the exercise to contain bench. So dumbbell bench press, incline bench press, decline bench press, all of those type of things. So let's get that. Cool. So now we have these types of exercises, right? So we're going to do some marketing campaigns because we're working with, Arnold Schwarzenegger or something, and we want to do a marketing campaign for, bench presses and pancakes. So we know we have a meal item over here for pancakes. So let's filter this meal item on pancakes. So the meal item is pancake, and we're going to see what users are doing out here with pancake, and what user behavior looks like. So it contains pancake. Apply filters. Cool. So we got four. So we got pancakes with strawberries and banana. We got pancakes and banana. Pancakes with GNC, like protein stuff, and then we got just regular pancakes. So then let's add this to our view, and then let's also add the meals that people had, right? And we're going to look for meals across these different meal IDs, right? So let's add meal to the filter, and then let's also add physical entry to the filter, because we know like these exercises, like exercise 1600, that exercise, because I know the data, right? I know that this exercise is related to this type ID, right? So we have this really awesome, interrelation of database where this table physical entry can hold types of things like an exercise type of thing, or a workout type of thing, or a weigh-in type of thing, or something like that, right? But either way, in other types, right? So like a abs love handles type of thing, or a 19-inch arms type of thing, right? So either way, let's go ahead and add physical entry to our view, and let's just take a look at our view tables. Cool. So we're only working with these view tables, and these two tables have a filter on them. So let's go ahead and, again, I'm a marketing person, so let's go ahead and save this view as let's save this view as marketing bench press and pancakes promo, right? So let's just save this, right? All right, cool. So now that view is saved, and we'll do some exploration in some later videos. I just wanted to get us here